Friends, this lesson is also about classroom reading, and the title of the lesson is We Read in Russian. We Chitayam по-русски. We Chitayam read по-русски. As told earlier also, when it is me means we. So end of the verb will be with M. So chitayat becomes chitayam. Me chitayam по-русски. Now we will go with the sentences. I have tried to make very simple sentences. So, это класс сейчас урок. Это класс сейчас урок. This is class. Now it is lesson. Это this class сейчас now урок means lesson. Что вы сейчас делаете? Что вы сейчас делаете? What do you do now? Что means what? We means you. You formal. Сейчас now делаете do. You know, when there is we, then it becomes the verb, tail of the verb ends with the ete. So delat becomes делаете. Что вы сейчас делаете? What do you do now? Мы читаем по-русски. We are reading in Russian. We are reading in Russian. Chitayam, reading, means me, we. So chitayat becomes chitayam. Me chitayam pa-ruski. We are reading in Russian or we read in Russian, because in Russian there is no difference between present simple and present continuous. So we read in Russian or we are reading in Russian, it will be same. Me chitayam pa-ruski. Sначала читает Anastasia. Sначала читает Anastasia. Anastasia reads first. Sначала, first. Читает reads. Anastasia. Anastasia, this is a name. Sначала читает Anastasia. Anastasia reads first. Она читает хорошо, громко и ясно. She reads хорошо, good, gramko is loudly, ясно and clear. Gramko is loudly, loud, and ясно means clear. Потом читает Tom, then reads Tom. Он читает медленно, но правильно. Правильно. Он читает медленно, но правильно. Он means he, читает means reads, медленно. Медленно is slowly. No means but. Правильно means correctly. He reads slowly but correctly. We внимательно слушаем. We are listening attentively. Слушаем means listening, внимательно means attentively. Me means we. Me внимательно слушаем. We are listening attentively. Nastasia спрашивает. Nastasia asks, Tom, как по-русски a dog? Tom, how is a dog called in Russian? How is a dog called in Russian? Tom отвечает. Tom replies, собака. It is собака. In Russian it is called собака. Dog is called собака in Russian. Теперь спрашивает Tom. Then Tom asks, а Anastasia отвечает. Then Tom asks and Anastasia replies. Спрашивает means asks and отвечает means replies. Теперь, then, now. Теперь means now. Now спрашивает Tom. Now Tom asks, а Anastasia отвечает and Anastasia replies. Что сейчас делает John? Now John, what John is doing? It is a question. Что сейчас делает John? Now what John is doing? Он читает. Is he reading? Он читает? Is he reading? Нет. No. Он сейчас не читает. He is now not reading. Слушает. and listening. He is listening. का कौन slushayat? का कौन slushayat? How is he listening? Means what is he listening? का कौन slushayat means how is he listening? On slushayat vni matelno. On slushayat vni matelna. He is listening attentively. Vni matelna attentively. Again we'll see eta class sichas urok. This is class now lesson. So we sichas dilaite. What do you do now? Me chitayam paruski. We are reading in Russian. Sna chala chitayat Anastasia. First Anastasia reads or Anastasia reads first. Ana chitayat kharasho. Gramko I yasno. She reads good, loud and clear. Patom chitayat Tom. Then reads Tom. On chitayat medleno. No pravilno. He reads slowly but correctly. Me vnimatelno slushayam. We are listening attentively. Anastasia sprashivayat. Anastasia asks, Tom kak paruski a dog. Tom, how is dog in Russian? Tom atvichayat sabaka. Tom replies sabaka. Teper. Teper means now. Sprashivayat Tom. Now Tom asks, Anastasia atvichayat, and Anastasia replies, Sto sichas de la John. Sto sichas de la John. What John is doing? On chitayat? Is he reading? Nit. On chitayat. On sichas ni chitayat. No, he is not reading now. Slushayat. And he is listening. Ka kon slushayat? How he is listening? On slushayat vni matelno. He is listening attentively. So it's very, very simple sentences, just 2-3 words. In the last lesson, we had only 2 words in a sentence. Now there are 3 or 4 words in a sentence. So like this in daily